Well, welcome back, Big Red's Money Pit Garage. We're back at it on the '03 F250. This is a 5.4 Super Duty, not the diesel motors. It's 2-valve 5.4, it's not the 3-valve. So in previous video, you hopefully saw that we removed the fuse box from the inside, did a fuel relay bypass with an external 4-pin relay. That's all taken care of. That's ready to go. So it's, ready for many more years of use. And now we're getting ready to pull the bed off so that we can do the fuel pump. I've got the fuel pump here. Need some assistance from hopefully one of my friends can come over and we can get the A-frame over the front on the hooks, the cherry picker back here, and lift the bed up enough to get under there and swap out the fuel pump. I could lift it up and then push the truck out of the way, get better clearance, but then I got to pull it out of the way, and I don't want to do that. So we're going to do it the wrong way, lift it up enough to get under there. Hopefully the bed doesn't fall on us, right? We got the tailgate off, as you can see. Took the tail lights out. The harness is ready to drop. We have all 8 bed bolts out. Thankfully, this truck has had a fuel pump in the past, and the bed bolts have been replaced. So I think it's 5/16 Allen socket, and all 8 came out. 3 7s over at the fuel filler neck are off, and this is ready. So I'll bring over the cherry picker and the A-frame, and then once I get some help, we will lift it up. You'll see that one. So please stay tuned. Watch this video, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this Ford. It's honestly been many years since I've had one. I've had a couple Rangers and one F-150. This will be my first F-250. So next, thinking, F-350 dually, right? It's the only way to go. So thanks for watching. Get you in for a closer look there. All of the bed bolts are out. Tailgate is off. Kind of get you in for around the truck shot here. Not sure if I'm going to be keeping this truck or selling it, donating it, not really sure. Probably use it for a few months and then go back to my Chevys and sell it. As you see, I got a lot of Chevys. Interior is in decent shape. It's got a couple tears on the seats, but it is the Lariat trim. It is a nice blue. It's a little dusty. Get you in over here to this side of the bed. Look at all those bed bolts that are removed. They had been removed before, as said, so they came out quite easy. I got really lucky on this one. So what you'll see next, I'm not sure if it'll happen this weekend, but hopefully we'll catch up in the future, and I'll see you when we're ready to pull the bed off. All right, welcome back. It's the next day. So we're here with the F250. We're going to be lifting it up. My beautiful and amazing wife and I moved the A-frame. It's kind of a weird angle, but it's straight over the bed. Already have it hooked up. I'm gonna hook up the cherry picker next, and then start lifting. May wait for it to get a little cooler. It's already pretty hot out here for 6 or 7 o'clock, whatever it is right now. So I think it's actually maybe closer to 8. So let me get everything ready, get it up in the air, and then let's see if we can see that fuel pump. Well, I wouldn't want to be under there, but I'm going under there. Already disconnected the power plug, ready the fuel pump, and now I just gotta get those fuel lines off and get that one out. So, I'll show you what we did. I let it go a little bit on the side there so that it's angled. She only needs what she needs. So I don't have the fuel disconnect tool that I thought I did for the right sizes, so I'm gonna go get that. Let it cool down in here, or out here I should say, and then pick it back up. So the pump is in. I'll show you the old one here in just a second, but the The little plastic ring just kind of hammers out. You spin it. Got the fuel line disconnected. And the new one doesn't have like a body of the pump. The bottom just kind of hangs into the bottom of it, so I don't know how well that's going to work. Even the ones in the auto parts store have that same setup, so hopefully this works. We're going to go crank it and see what happens. Time has come to sell it off. We did get a buyer for it, so we're going to go ahead and just sell this off. Bed is reattached, the taillights are on, the harnesses are plugged in. It's all done. We'll move it here in a little bit, but thanks for watching, everybody. You know, this one, unfortunately, we never did get it running fully. I think the fuel pressure regulator's out. I actually had ordered one, and it'll be here today. But we've just got too many projects, and we got to get them off. You know, that one's for sale. That one's for sale. That one's for sale. That one's probably going to be for sale. Sold this one. I may sell my 03. Michael's finishing up his truck. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with the other white dually. So, might be closing up shop here, you know. Get rid of some of these and focus on just a few at a time or something. So, let me know what you guys think of the work so far. And if you've ever had a Ford do the same problem with this one where you're not getting any fuel, you know, we took the regulator off. We get a little fuel out there. We took the lines off. We are getting fuel up through, so the pump's working. So it really just seems like the fuel pressure regulator is just not doing the regulating very well. So unfortunately, you know, that's all I can really undo now. I've got it sold, so we'll get it pulled out of here and load it up on the trailer for the guy. So thanks for watching, everybody.